In this lesson, we are going to explore how to find product opportunities using Amazon's new releases page. Many sellers overlook this tool, yet it is one of the most powerful ways to spot items that are gaining traction in real time. Unlike the best sellers list, which shows long-standing winners, or movers and shakers, which highlights short-term spikes, the new releases page focuses only on products that have launched recently but are already showing momentum. For beginners, this page feels like looking into the future of Amazon. You get to see what might become the next bestseller before the competition fully arrives. Just like in previous lessons, do not waste time hunting for menus. Amazon often changes layouts depending on your region and device. The most reliable way is to go directly to the link amazon.com/gp/new-releases and replace .com with your local marketplace if you are in the United Kingdom, India, Canada, or elsewhere. This direct path takes you to the live lists instantly. The power of new releases is that it shows you what is working right now before the market is saturated. This gives beginners an early mover advantage. But you also need to be cautious. Not every new product has staying power. Some climb the list because of short-term discounts, heavy advertising, or a viral moment. Others may be backed by established brands with deep pockets. Always validate whether demand can continue once the promotion ends. When you arrive, there are two ways to explore. The first is to simply browse the new releases homepage. This gives you a broad overview of trending new products across multiple categories, but it will not show every niche in detail. The second method is more targeted. If you want to focus on a specific category, use the list on the left-hand side of the page. For example, if you sell in home and kitchen, you can click that category, and Amazon will show you only the newest products in that space. This way, you can either explore broadly for inspiration or dive deep into the category you already plan to sell in. Here is how you can use this in practice. Go to the new releases page using the direct link. Pick your marketplace, then either explore broadly on the main page or filter down into a category that fits your strategy. Scan the list for themes, open product pages, and write down at least 2 improvement ideas for each. Look for variation gaps such as missing sizes, colors, or bundles. Confirm that your improvements are realistic to source and check that the category is not dominated by one big brand. Now let's make this concrete with 2 product examples you can study. The first is a sink strainer basket with upgraded suction cups, automatic dumping design, and corner placement for food waste collection. This product solves a daily kitchen problem, which makes it attractive but also competitive. A beginner seller could still rank by focusing on meaningful improvements. Many reviews for similar items complain about suction cups losing grip, small capacity, or draining too slowly. By offering stronger suction, a larger basket, and faster draining holes, your product immediately stands out. Adding multiple color options such as gray, green, or transparent also creates extra keyword coverage. Customers often search with very specific terms like corner sink strainer, small kitchen, or transparent sink basket, and those long-tail searches are easier for beginners to rank on. You could even bundle the basket with a small brush or sponge holder, creating a new offer like sink strainer with brush, which targets fresh keywords. High-quality photos and short demo videos showing how the basket holds scraps and dumps automatically can further boost conversions, which is one of the strongest ranking signals on Amazon. The second example is the PCTC fake Dragonfly clips for garden decoration. Decorative products are driven by variety and creativity, which gives beginners a chance to compete. Instead of selling only standard 8-piece packs, you could offer larger bundles of 12 or 16, or create mixed insect sets with dragonflies, butterflies, and bees. This approach helps you rank on more long-tail keywords such as dragonfly garden stake set, colorful insect garden decor, or butterfly and dragonfly clips. Customers also care about durability outdoors, and reviews often mention fading colors or clips breaking. By offering UV-resistant paint and sturdier stainless steel clips, you solve common complaints and position your product as the higher quality choice. Another strategy is to expand the use cases beyond gardens. Show them used for weddings, outdoor parties, or clipped onto flower pots indoors. This opens up entirely new keyword paths like dragonfly party decorations or clip-on insect decor, giving you broader reach than just garden shoppers. By following this process, the new releases page becomes your early radar system. It shows you where fresh momentum is building, helps you spot unmet customer needs, and gives you a chance to create better offers before competition intensifies. Use the direct link, decide your research style broad or category specific, and design variations and upgrades that improve on what is already gaining traction. That is how a beginner can use Amazon's new releases page to build a competitive edge. In the next lesson, we will move forward and validate which of these ideas are strong enough to move into product development. See you in the next lesson.